Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. So today we're going to be doing a first impressions on a smartwatch I recently bought. So it's this one here. It looks very manly, doesn't it? I can assure you mine isn't manly at all. I got the colour purple and it just says smartwatch, colour purple, and that's it really, XA as well. I've just charged it up for a little bit, not too long. I think it was already charged a little bit. So here's the charger, like I said in the unboxing haul. Comes with these two little magnets. Need to be careful because if they break, like the pins here, then it won't work. And the watch will be pretty much useless, won't it? Unless you can actually get a wire from eBay, I don't know. I don't get it, like on the box it says X8, not 68, but then on here it actually says IP68, so which is it? Right, so it says BT calling, heart rate monitoring, multi-sports mode and virtual assistant, and I think it's got lots more on it. I obviously don't know because it's still got the sticker on it. I've had two smartwatches like this, but what I've got to ask myself is, all the raving that content creators are raving about these watches and these tech products I've bought, is it worth the money? So I paid, I think, about £10.40. It looks okay, doesn't it? Let's take the sticker off. Okay. So that's actually quite a nice design. Which doesn't want to stay on. Right, so it's saying I've done 0 steps. Let me just see. Okay. So that's another design you can have. Like that. That's another design. So you're getting like quite good designs on this watch. Well, it's not 3 o'clock. I think you might have to put the app on your phone for it to kind of sort itself out though, and I've not done that because I'm talking to you on my phone, I'm filming on my phone. I'll just show you what I can get access to while I can get access to it, and then I'll download the app onto my phone. I'll talk to you about the card in a minute that comes within the phone, and then I'll download the app and then I'll come back. Got some pretty neat faces on this. Ooh, that's pretty. It looks like a peacock. Like peacock inspired. Right, so we've got quite a few nice faces. I think for now I'm going to just leave the first one on. That one. Yeah, I don't think I can get access to anything else, which is a bummer. So let me tell you what I now need to do. Read carefully how to link two Bluetooths divided into 2 steps, A and B. Right, okay, step 1, turn on the phone's Bluetooth. Yeah, that's pretty much standard. Step 2, search the fit in the store or scan QR code to download the app. So that's step 2 there. Step 3, install the app and then follow the wizard to set up. Step 4, enter the app and find the X8 binding. Please charge it fully the first time you use it. I think it's got a lot of charge on it. Don't know if it's fully charged though. I don't know, there's no way of finding out if it's fully charged. B, the second Bluetooth to answer and dial Bluetooth connection function. I mean, I'll put it on there, but I've never ever had, this is my 3rd one now, I've never actually took a call by someone actually calling me on it because it's crap. It's crap speakers normally, but we can try it. Step 1, slide the screen and turn on the call function switch. Step 2, open the phone settings and enter the Bluetooth interface. Step 3, find X8 and click connect. Step 4, after connecting, you can use the watch to receive make calls. It seems self-explanatory. Let me go and see. I'll go and do that now and then I'll come back. Right, so I'm back. So I have uploaded the fit to this phone that I'm talking to you on. So that's what it looks like. I'm keeping that screensaver for a while. I'll always change them up. I'm like that on my phone. I'm going to give it about a month. So a month from today, just to get to grips with the watch and see how I feel about it. But I want to show you what it does. That's what it looks like. So there are all the shortcuts. But I'll tend to just go into this. I'm already getting Instagram messages through. So as I was saying, I'll tend to go into this green one here, and it just tells you everything. I wish it would give me more time though to get to it. You know, I feel like I need to figure out how to make the time delay on it a little bit longer. It's like 2 seconds and then it goes, and I know it's trying to save you your battery and everything, but it's already pissing me off. So we've got the activity, sleep, heart rate, phone call, exercise records. I think it's exercise records, yeah. Exercise records, blood pressure, O2, which is basically water, isn't it? Weather, messages, camera. We will get there sometime today. I need to play about with it later. Then there's a music player, which I never use on these, and then there's relaxation. Relaxation, I'm curious about that. Stressed, falling asleep. Let's click the falling asleep. Falling asleep, it has minutes. So let's just click the 1 minute. Oh, you can't. 2 minutes, start. Focus on your breath. So it tells you what to do to help fall asleep. Inhale. Hold your breath. That's cool. You know, I might actually try that and report back and see if it works. I've tried everything else. I've tried meditation. I've tried breathing exercises. If you're stressed or you can't sleep, then none of that's going to help, in my opinion. Just my opinion, guys. So yeah, it's got all that. And then I will screenshot what's on the app, because that's the only way I can really show you, because it's quite good. I mean, at the moment, I've not got anything on there. I would love to do the 10,000 steps a day, but I don't think I'll get there. I mean, I should set myself a challenge of at least trying to do 5,000 a day, because I'm not really getting any exercise. But I love the colour of the watch. I did say to you earlier already, I can see something negative that I don't really like. I don't like that this is the same colour as the watch. I would much prefer this to be silver hardware, like it has been on my previous 2 watches. I didn't get it from the same place though. I think my 2 previous ones came from Smartwatches for Less. This one's come from the TikTok shop, and it was a hell of a lot cheaper. So that's all I've got to say. Like I said, it's only first impressions. Not telling me what the weather is, which, why not? I don't know. So on first impressions, I think it's really, really nice. Whether it will perform the way I want it to perform, I don't know. Expect an update coming very, very soon, a month from today. So whenever this video goes out, just expect my update to be a month from today. And I'll see you all soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, guys.